Have you ever noticed how some people just seem comfortable in their own body and lighter? Like they have steady energy, they just actually feel lighter during the day and aren't constantly jumping from an extreme diet to another. So lately, I've been seeing more people talk about something called the gelatin trick. It's basically a really simple daily habit that's been getting attention because it's actually easy to follow and it actually fits into your routine without that much effort. So, what stands out is really how uncomplicated it is. It takes just a few minutes, it uses really basic ingredients that you can find anywhere, honestly. You might already have them at home. So, there's no strict plan, no long list of rules, just something really small that you can do consistently and actually see a change in your life. So, what people have been sharing, it helps them feel more balanced throughout the day. Some say they actually feel lighter. They notice better digestion and have more stable energy. Not those big spikes and crashes, but something more steady and manageable. And over time, that can make it easier to keep up with healthier habits without feeling like you're really forcing it, you know? And that's really the key here. It's not about quick fixes or huge promises. It's just a simple way to support your body with something natural and easy to stick with. Sometimes those small, consistent habits are what actually make a difference in the long term. So if you are curious and you want to see exactly how it works, there is a short video explaining everything step by step in the link down below in the description of this video. It's really straightforward, so you can watch and decide for yourself if it makes sense for your lifestyle and for your goals. So it might be worth checking out, especially if you're looking for something simple to add to your routine and help you feel healthier and more balanced day to day. If you have any questions, click the link down below and I will see you guys later. Bye.